What if you could live in East Orlando on a half acre with no HOA in this beautifully renovated home that has a mother-in-law and a fully functional detached workshop? Well, guys, welcome to 1221 Lake Downey Drive. Right now, most homes in Orlando feel tight. Tiny lots, no privacy, HOA restrictions, and nowhere for family, hobbies, or even a garden. But what if you didn't have to choose? You can enter your beautifully renovated home through the main entrance, or you can enter the home from the mother-in-law suite separate entrance. This freshly renovated home sits on nearly half an acre, something that's almost impossible to find this close to everything. You've got a separate entry mother-in-law suite, perfect for extended family, guests, or even rental potential. And how many homes in East Orlando, guys, have a full work shed the size of a small house? This one has all the electricity already connected. A detached workshop with electricity, ideal for a business, creative space, or serious hobbyist. Double gated backyard access with your detached garage, a roundabout driveway. Bring your boat, your toys, and your vision. And then the lifestyle. You walk through a rose arbor entryway every day, pick fresh mangoes from your own backyard, and actually have space to breathe. And you're just steps away from Lake Downey Park. Walking distance to pickleball courts, splash parks, outdoor dog park, fitness area, volleyball, baseball, and more. And the location is incredible. Only 4 minutes to the 417, 5 minutes to the 408, and an easy drive to Disney and the beach. Guys, you know homes like these are super rare. They don't come on the market every day, especially in East Orlando. You're only 15 minutes to UCF, 5 minutes to the 417 or the 408. So I want you to comment Orlando if you want more details, a home tour, a private showing. My name is Jennifer with Lotus Door Realty. I'll see you on the next video.